Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily change a Toyota RAV4 headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. Next, open the hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. It is crucial to disconnect the negative battery terminal before proceeding to avoid any electrical surprises. This simple step ensures a safe working environment for everyone. Now that you have access, it is time to remove the old bulb. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it away. Next, you will need to unclip or twist the bulb retainer counterclockwise, usually about 1/4 turn, to release the bulb. Finally, gently pull the old bulb straight out from its housing, being careful not to damage any surrounding components. When installing the new bulb, always handle it by its plastic base. Never touch the glass, as oils from your skin can shorten its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, ensuring the tabs align perfectly. Once seated, secure the bulb by twisting the retainer clockwise or reclipping it. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a distinct click, ensuring a solid connection. With the new bulb installed, it is time to test it and reassemble everything. First, reconnect the negative battery terminal securely. Then, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, reinstall any covers or clips that you removed earlier, ensuring they are all securely fastened. Double-check everything before closing the hood, and you are all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.